Okay, so continuing from the previous video, this is the code that we used last time. So far, we already learned about cv2.findContours to find contours, and now, next, on this video, I want to talk about a function called cv2.boundingRect in OpenCV. And I also want to talk about sorting contours, okay, later in this video. So let's start. So the cv2.boundingRect function in OpenCV is used to compute the smallest upright rectangle that can completely enclose a given contour. This bounding box is axis aligned, meaning it is not rotated and is parallel to the x and y axis. It is a fundamental tool for many computer vision tasks such as object detection, OCR, and image segmentation. And first of all, here's the syntax. So here we are using the function cv2.boundingRect, and for argument we use contour. This is our contour, and this is an array of points representing a contour, typically obtained using functions like cv2.findContours that we already learned about. And then the output is this for variable. So the x is the x coordinate of the top left corner of the bounding box. Y is the y coordinate of the top left corner of the bounding box. W is the width of the bounding box, and H is the height of the bounding box. Okay, and how it works. So the function finds the minimum, that is x min and y min, and maximum, that is x max and y max, coordinates of all the points in the contour, and then uses these values to calculate the top left corner of the bounding box. So x equals to x min and y equals to y min. And then the width is w equals to x max minus x min, and the height is h equals to y max and y min. So the resulting bounding box is a rectangle that is always upright, irrespective of the contour's rotation. Okay. And for common use cases, this is for object detection. So cv2.boundingRect is often used to identify position of objects in an image by enclosing them with a bounding box. And for our application, OCR application, it helps crop text regions for OCR processing. And then we can do what contour filtering. So the width W and the height H of the bounding box can be used to filter out noise or irrelevant contours. Okay. For documentation reference, you can find the official documentation here. So here's the official documentation for yeah, we can see these contour features, and scroll down we find bounding rectangle. So this is what we are talking about right now. So function cv.boundingRect, and yeah, you can read more about function boundingRect here in the OpenCV documentation. Okay. Okay, let's go back to notebook. Okay, we already talked about cv2.boundingRect. Next, I want to talk about sorting contours in OpenCV. So why we sort contours? Because when we are using cv2.findContours, the contours are not returned in any specific order. So if your task involves processing text or objects in a sequential manner, that is top to bottom or left to right, you need to sort the contours. And sorting ensures that the processing order matches the logical or visual order of the elements in the image. And obviously in article or English text, we read the text from top to bottom, so we need to sort that. Now I usually not use left to right because that is automatic, right? Okay, so sorting contours using cv2.boundingRect. So to sort the contours, we rely on the bounding box properties provided by cv2.boundingRect. Specifically, the y coordinate help us sort contours from top to bottom, and if required, so optionally, the x coordinate can be used for left to right sorting within rows. And let's see, for basic sorting by vertical position, top to bottom, this is to sort contours by their y coordinate. So here we are using function sorted, and for arguments we use contours, and this is the key function. We use cv2.boundingRect c. This is for contour, and 1. This is index 1 to extract the y coordinate of the bounding box for each contour. So if you look back, the output is x, y, w, and h. So this is index 0, index 1, index 2, and index 3. So if you want to take the y coordinate, we use the index 1. Okay, so let's go back here, and the result is contours are sorted in ascending order of their vertical position, so by y coordinate. Okay, and this is advanced sorting. This is optional, so we sort from top to bottom and then left to right. For images with multiple columns or grid of text, you may need to sort contours by row first, so top to bottom, and then sort within each row, so left to right. This is called dual sorting, and this is the code example. We use sorted function, contours as the argument, and then we have same key function, sorts primarily by the y coordinate, vertical position, and then we have another key function. This is for index 0. This is for contours within the same y value, sorts the x coordinate, horizontal position. So this is optional. I usually just use the y coordinate to sort from top to bottom. Okay. Okay, so next, let's see our code. And yeah, as I said before, this is we sort the contours, and I only use this single key function so that I only use top to bottom sort. And then here we have for loop so that we can process every contour that we have. Here we use the function cv2.boundingRect so that for every contour we get the for output that we need. Next, for every contour we crop that region from the image. Okay, I simply call those region our ROI, or region of interest, and then I want to display all of the crop region. So here we have 25 region, that is from index 0 all the way up to index region 24. Okay, so let's display the figure. So here this is region 0. This is basically the image that we have, and then region 1, then region 2, region 3, this is just a noise. Then region 4, this is this sentence. Then region 5 is the noise. Region 6 is this word. Region 7 is the noise. And region 8 is the paragraph that we want. So we want this region, region number 8. And then region 9 and 10 and so on up to region 24 is just a noise. Okay. Obviously, we don't need these noise regions. We can just filter them out later. Our main target is the main paragraph. So that is the region 8. Maybe also region 0. But that is for another video. So on the next video, I will talk about how to draw a rectangle around these regions. And then on another video, I will talk about filtering these regions. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. I hope this helps and you can continue on to the next video. Thank you.